For almost 10 years, Reveal has been designing award-winning cameras that our users love for their ease of use, security, flexibility, strength and design. We have hundreds of customers all over the world, including the United States, Canada, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and the Middle East. So coming up with a new product that was going to be even better than one that was already hugely successful was a big challenge, to say the least.
The police, open the door!
In the D-Series, we've kept all the essential features that we've always had in Reveal cameras. Unbreakable security, the front-facing screen, which has a proven calming effect and maximizes transparency, and the articulated camera head, which allows the camera to be worn by all shapes and sizes of users, or worn on a helmet, or in a vehicle, or as well as being an interview recorder. Our goal has always been to give our customers the best possible tool to capture the context of events in a challenging circumstance.
Put it down! Put down the knife!
Reveal was the first manufacturer to introduce AES encryption in the camera, so security has been at the heart of our products for a long time, and the D-Series of course continues to use this. In the D-Series we have low light capability that far exceeds any of the other cameras on the market. There's simply nothing that comes close. Our customers have asked us for longer and longer recording times. So we challenged ourselves to design a camera that was able to record high-definition video for over 12 hours without being any bigger. We've made hundreds of adjustments during the design process to increase the strength and durability of the D-Series. As well as reinforcing the internal structure, we've added extra toughness by creating rubberized armor using a two-stage molding process. As well as this, we've added a waterproof USB port and toughened screen protection, making the D-Series incredibly durable. To achieve the D-Series, we've worked with the best technology companies from around the world. We've put our heart and souls into what we think is by far the best body camera in the world today.